Good morning students, welcome back to a new session again of your second lesson Europe and India. Okay, today we will learn some new topics under this lesson. In the last period you have learned regarding the different types of revolution, and now we will learn some topics, actually how the trade was going on, okay, which theory they try to follow. Now under the first concept under this topic, 9th point is the rising of trading companies. As all of you know, when Europeans started to travel in the eastern countries, they find out the new sea routes, okay, and because of that many European traders started traveling in India or some other East European countries, okay. The first point under this is that with the discovery of new sea routes to the east, European traders started trade. That means since they have actually discovered the new sea routes, because of that they started the trading business. Okay, and many traders came together as it was not easy to carry trade single-handedly. Since many traders were coming from far away from Europe, okay, it was not possible for them to do the trading business. That's why they came together and formed an organization. Okay, then the third point is that this gave rise to many trading companies. Since these all traders, they came together and formed the organization, it gave rise for the many trading companies. Why? Because many businessmen or many, you can say, traders, they came together in order to do the business. Why? Since if they just form the organization, they can earn a lot of profit, okay, they can earn a lot of money. That was the reason why they came together and form an organization. Okay, now the next topic is rise of capitalism. As all of you know, when many European traders, they started a trading business, okay, with the eastern countries, it gave rise for them to earn a profit, lot of profit, and even they started using this money in the form of capital, okay, for trade and commerce, okay, in order to increase the economy, and automatically it gave rise for the capitalist economy, okay. That means since they started using the same money in their business for the trading purpose, automatically it had increased their economy. Okay, now the next topic is colonialism. Now here actually exploitation of one country by another and making it into a colony is called a colonialism. That means already one country is trying to exploit the another country, okay, the people those who are living there, in order to settle down their own colony. That is called the colonialism. That means already colony is there, but still another country will go there and they try to fortify their colony, they try to make their own colonies on them, okay, and they try to acquire the power, and that is called the colonialism. Second point, on the basis of economic and military strength, one country occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. That means here what they are trying to do is that they are trying to acquire the power in political as well as economic sphere, okay. That means political also, they are trying to just dominate on that colonies, okay, those already which are there, okay, and even trying to exploit them economically, and that is how they are trying to establish its political supremacy. Now the third point is that colonialism gave rise to imperialism. Now when any country actually is forming the colonialism, it gave rise to the imperialism also. And now regarding that we will learn what do you mean by imperialism. Okay, now the next topic is imperialism. This imperialism actually takes place because of the colonialism. Because when any country trying to dominate on any weaker one, okay, means any powerful country is trying to dominate on the underdeveloped country, means which is not developed, which is very weak, okay. They are trying to establish overall domination on that country. That is the main reason. Second thing is that the objective of imperialism was to establish more and more new colonies. Now when any European countries, okay, when they try to just capture their power politically or economically, they try to just capture even other colonies, okay, and they try to just rule over them. That means in short we can say a powerful country is trying to dominate on weaker country in order to establish or to develop their economy and power. Okay, now the next one is that many European nations established their colonies in Asia and Africa. Now most of the European countries, when they try to start this imperialism, they try to capture their colonies in which areas? Asia as well as Africa. Student, now the next point is establishment of the East India Company. As in the earlier point, you have seen how the European countries, they invaded India in order to do the trading business, and even the rulers, okay, they tried to give them the protection in order to do this business safely, okay, to earn the profit. Now, when these people were actually doing the monopoly business, that time only they thought it's better they will form an organization, and that organization was known as the East India Company. Okay, so this East India Company had formed the organization in the year 1600. Okay, so you can note down this point in your notebook. That is called the British East India Company. Okay, and who are the members of this East India Company? The main British were there, even Dutch, Spain, France. These are the main actually countries who was doing the business and who are the members of this East India Company. Later on, they just get separated from each other because of conflict took place between them. Now, when actually they just started the business, they formed this organization. Now they have to do the business in India, so they have to take the permission from the king. Okay, so that's why they took the permission from Emperor Jahangir and tried to fortify their factories in Surat. That is how the East India Company fortified their factories and started their business in our country. Now in the next period, we will be learning some new topics, how actually the British and French came India, okay, and they tried to acquire their power on India. So today what we have learned, the different topics, how actually the trading companies give rise. Then second, you have learned regarding the forming of an organization. Then you have learned the concept of capitalism, colonialism and imperialism. Thank you.